Hey guys, it's Michelle of mishcrafts. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another homemade squishy tutorial for you guys as it's been highly voted on my Instagram poll I posted a while ago. In today's tutorial, I wanted to bring back and recreate cracking squishies. If y'all are real OG squishy lovers since like back in the day, you'd probably heard of the Fat Cat Cracker Squishy or the Hello Kitty Cracker Squishy. And they're essentially squishies that create a cracking sound effect when you crack or bend them a certain way. I do have this other cracking squishy, and it's this white chocolate squishy I found laying at the bottom of my squishy collection. It's not necessarily a squishy since it's more of a stress ball material and it's quite defected as you can see here. But anyways, since it's already somehow messed up, I decided to just take the cracking mechanism clip from inside and reuse it. Of course, if you don't own a cracking squishy or have one but don't want to ruin like I did, another alternative is to use these barrette clips, I think they're called. It works the same, but I recommend taping the open end closed to keep it flat and to prevent it from poking through your finished squishy. I decided to use both clips because why not? Now that we have the key material prepared, it's time to make the squishy. Cracking squishies are usually thin, so I decided to make some cute star and heart-shaped sugar cookie squishies. First, I roughly sketched out a template to help me achieve a more accurate size and shape because we're going to be needing two pieces to sandwich the clip inside, making sure that the foam size is slightly bigger. Once they're all traced out, using my scissors, I cut each traced foam piece because the original foam piece was a little too thick for my liking, so I just basically sized them down in half. And then once I have my two flat pieces sized down, I inserted a clip in the middle of the two pieces and secured the foam in place with a tad bit of super glue, making sure not to glue the clip itself, and then following with some puffy paint after that. To hold the foam pieces together, I used a heavy book of some sort to weigh it down and left it to dry. Don't mind the book I chose, I don't even remember seeing this book until now. Once it's all dry and stuck together, I started to shape out the foam along the traced lines while rounding off any harsh edges until I get my desired shape. Now that everything is all nice and trimmed, it's time to paint it, of course. So as my base color, I painted the star-shaped piece beige and the heart-shaped one a brown color to represent chocolate. After approximately 3 to 4 thick coats of the base, I proceeded on decorating the cookie squishy like it's a real cookie, which to me is my favorite part of this video and very satisfying to quote-unquote spread on the icing. As for the icing part of the squishy, I mixed together some puffy paint, acrylic paint in the color of my choice, and I chose to make this pretty blue color, and then this new thing I discovered called Mod Podge fabric. It's very thick and it kind of mimics marshmallow fluff, so I thought it would make kind of like a thick icing consistency. I've also recently started squishy decoing, so a friend of mine named Samantha or Crafty Neko on YouTube and Instagram, she recommended using Mod Podge fabric to like seal the decos and stuff like that. And when I first saw the texture, it low-key reminded me of like some thick frosting or like fluff kind of texture, so I thought I'd just incorporate it in this project to see how well it works. As for the fake sprinkles that you see me use here, I used some pre-made polymer clay sprinkles that I made, which I did show you guys how to make somewhere in my previous video a while ago, but if you guys are curious to know how to make it, I will probably link it down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. But if you don't have polymer clay on hand, you can just hand paint them on. Of course, you're free to decorate this however you would like to, but this is just how I envision my cookies to look like, so yeah. So that's pretty much the end of this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed. These cracking squishies are literally so simple and fun to make. I also love seeing you guys' recreations, so don't forget to tag me on Instagram at mishcrafts and follow me if you haven't already. Also, subscribe if you're new, as we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers, which is so crazy, and make sure you share this video to your friends and family or something. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys!